In July of 2023, we had 3 great cruises in Europe, in the Baltic Sea, the British Isles, and to Iceland. Did you ever think you'd be on a cruise ship for 32 days?
No.
This is our last day
on
the Carnival Pride. Goodbye, Europe.
Yep, after 33 days of cruising,
we're going home. Traveling by trains, planes, and automobiles.
We're Rich and Robin.
And these are our midlife adventures.
Living in and out of our midlife van.
Now we have one last sea day before disembarking in Dover, England, and heading to Heathrow to fly back to California. Our last sea day, we took a relaxing walk along our favorite promenade. We enjoyed some journey activities like watching the shipbuilding contest, had our last guy's burger, and started packing. Are we going to fit everything in, Rich?
I seriously doubt it, but I think we'll get the majority.
After adding a 3rd cruise, we did a little shopping and bought a 3rd suitcase. Rich, I did a little damage here at the TK Maxx. Our last main dining room dinner.
After 33 days, we didn't eat every night, so probably at least 25 nights we ate in the dining room, and it worked out really well. So we got a little jerk, pork loin, and then we got some braised ribs, right? Beef ribs.
What is that, Rich?
I think that is a hybrid cow elephant.
A towel pillow elephant?
Yeah.
He's pretty big.
That's our last one.
Our last one. And we enjoyed an evening in the Red Frog pub, listening to some live music. And took our final sunset walk along deck 10. Goodbye, Europe.
Yep, after 33 days of cruising through Europe, through 10 different countries, we have to say arrivederci.
And look at that beautiful sunset.
Yes.
Arrivederci, ciao, bella.
Auf Wiedersehen.
Until next time.
Goodbye.
So quiet, and we're going home. Long travels to the airport today.
Yeah.
Planes, trains, and automobiles.
Yep.
As we walked out of the Dover, England cruise port, the taxi line was long, but we were happily surprised that they had a shuttle bus to the train station from the port. So $5, £5, or €5 each to the train. Can't beat that.
5 something.
Yeah.
I picked the expensive 5. She said give the cheap.
We went for the expensive one. I'm like, here, get the $5 out of my backpack. After a 5-minute bus ride to the train station, we had a very short wait to catch our train to London. After getting off the train, we got a snack and headed to the tube to the airport. We did pretty good. We took the tube from Heathrow on the Elizabeth line, and we just took the Piccadilly line back to Heathrow. Pretty easy. It takes an hour, but it's not that expensive.
Stops, I think.
Yeah, not that expensive. We did it from King's Cross, 23 stops, to Heathrow, Terminal 3. Easy Virgin check-in, checked in 2 bags, 1 bag each.
Yeah.
Now security and lounge. After flying Virgin from Heathrow to Vegas, we had an overnight layover and then took one of our Frontier Go Wild Pass flights from Vegas to California. With just 2 weeks to rest up and repack for our next cruise going to Alaska from Seattle. Place to hang out or go to or visit while on the ship. Check out our last video where we share our thoughts on cruising 33 days in Europe on the Carnival Pride.